Hello guys! Between today and tomorrow we will be developing our writing or we will start to develop our writing project. For these first two parts of the class, today and tomorrow, you will upload the first draft and your brainstorming process. How are you going to do this? Let's take a look. Part of the process you're going to be using the writing process page that is in Schoology. It's a PDF that we're going to be using, and you're going to use page number 18 of your student's book. What are you going to do next? Along with the teacher, you're going to read and you're going to see what is a journal entry, because this is going to be the final project for our first unit. What else are you going to do here? You're going to be reading individually the example of the journal entry that you have on your student's book. Once you have finished this, you are going to start with the process from the PDF. Let's take a look at that. So, now you have your student's book and you have downloaded the PDF. It is time to start. On the first part of the PDF, you're going to find the brainstorming process, but I will explain to you how can you do this on your own. Let's go! So how are we going to create a brainstorming? Step number 1. In the center, you will write the special date the special day or the special memory that you want to talk about. In my case, I want to talk about the first time I met my students this year. My first parent teaching meeting. Now I want to take out from there 4 ideas related to my feelings or to things that came to my mind during that day. So, how did I feel? I felt happy. So if you see, what I'm doing is just brainstorming. This is the process that we call to the first part of the process when we write any type of text. You need to make a brainstorming process so you can organize your thoughts and your ideas. Okay, my kids. So what you want to do next is be more specific about those events and those emotions. So what you're going to do is to go back to your brainstorming. In my case, I was talking about the time. So I'm going to put here just to remind myself about the event. I felt happy because I met my kids and their families. So families, this is going to be my keyword. Is that you're going to write down an event and what was the emotion you felt. Always like this. In total, you will write 1 and 2 if you want to have competent. You're going to write a third one if you want to have advanced or mastery, and you want to make an extra paragraph on that journal entry. So, until tomorrow, you can work on this, either on class or on your own during the offline time. What are you going to upload onto Schoology? The writing process. This includes the brainstorming and the paragraph. And this is going to be the first draft of that project for writing for this unit. As soon as I receive those submissions, I'm going to get back at you with some comments and some corrections. And during next week, what I expect you to do is to resubmit your corrections, and this is going to be the final draft. So remember, you can watch this video as many times as you want, so play and pause. Thank you for everything, and please don't forget to submit by tomorrow, August the 28th. See you next week, kids. Love you all!